Zhengzhou Baiyun Industrial Company Limited, located in Zhengzhou, Henan, is a comprehensive enterprise specializing in the manufacturing of high-performance brake pads for automobiles and motorcycles. We have wholly owned associated factory. Our modern facility spans 32,000 square meters, equipped with 16 fully automated production lines for brake pads and linings. With a workforce of 212 skilled employees, including 30 R&D engineers with postgraduate and undergraduate degrees, we maintain a strong focus on continuous innovation and fast product development. We believe quality, reliability, and customization are the cornerstones of sustainable manufacturing. Our quality assurance team includes 6 dedicated inspectors to ensure all products meet international standards. We offer flexible OEM and ODM services, including material formulation, logo branding, packaging design, color schemes, sizing, and graphic quantization to meet diverse customer needs. With over 15 years of export experience, Baiyun has built a strong reputation for reliable products and services. We now serve clients in over 80 countries across North America, South America, Eastern Europe, Southeast Asia, Africa, and the Middle East. Our products are certified by EMARC, ISO 26865, ISO 9001, and IATF 16949, reflecting our commitment to safety and compliance. Our engineering team brings deep industry experience and has successfully partnered with leading global enterprises, enhancing our capabilities and reputation. At Baiyun, we are committed to responsive after-sales service, sustainable growth, and long-term global partnerships. We aim to be your trusted partner in brake technology and worldwide supply excellence.